You may have noticed an irritating timestamp that shows up on your recording when you record your Zoom meetings. Now, this could happen on your meeting, on all of your recordings, or this could happen just on the recordings that you keep on your computer, or this can happen only in the recording that you keep on the cloud, on Zoom's software platform. So this video will show you how to get rid of these timestamps, or if you want to add them, where do you do that? You do that in two different places, so stay with me. Let's take a look first at the timestamp that shows up on the local recording. A local recording is when you record your Zoom meeting, but you keep the resultant video file on your own computer. So in order to configure that, you need to have the Zoom application on your computer, because this is not configurable through the web browser. And when you do that, see over here, there is the gear symbol, which opens up your settings window. In your settings window, you're going to go to the recording tab, and then right here you see that passkey, add a timestamp to the recording. You check it off, and this does not actually need you to save it. You just check it off, and it's not going to show up. Next, let me show you how to take care of it in the recording that is kept on the Zoom servers in the cloud. So you are going to log in through your web browser. You're going to log into your account, and you're going to go to the settings tab right here. And in the settings section, you're going to go to the recording tab. And under the recording tab, there is going to be local recording and cloud recording. And for the cloud recording, you see it right here. Add a timestamp to the recording. If you want a timestamp, you are going to click the checkbox and save. If you do not want a timestamp, you are going to clear the recording. And if that has been a change, then you will have to save. And that is how you add or get rid of that timestamp in the lower right hand side of your recordings. Now that I've configured these two settings to not record a timestamp on the video, as you can see in the lower right hand side of the video, no timestamp.